Kaspa's reach is global. We have to remember, guys, this project is going beyond what most of everyone expect. Kaspa is bigger than you think, man. This project is gonna be an international source of P2P eCash. That is the goal, and it's the same thing with the developers that are involved with Kaspa. Remember, there is no official quotation mark team for Kaspa, just people from all over the world that is building and developing the project because it is open source, and people that are just like-minded, that see the vision of what this project could achieve, right, or will achieve. And you know, who doesn't want to have their name in history when Kaspa is absolutely massive? Just like how there were people that were in the early stages of Bitcoin and Ethereum, etc., that now, you know, like for example with Jonathan, his name is in the Ethereum white paper, so is Aviv. So that type of recognition, that type of experience, that type of you know, thing to have on your resume is gonna lead to a lot more opportunities and a lot more, you know, success in the future overall, right? And it's the same thing with the you know, the devs, that community devs that come into Kas. They are leaving a stamp on history, right? And then when they go out to make their own projects, or when they go out to probably get a, you know, to get some type of maybe a job or some type have a career in coding, etc., they could always point back and be like, hey, I worked on the number 2 biggest crypto in the space, Kaspa, right? Whenever Kaspa does get to number 2, right? And then, you know, that's gonna be a great, you know, something great for them to present to, you know, other people, and I'm sure that's gonna open many doors for them. So that's why, you know, there's so many developers from all over that are, you know, helping to make Kaspa just the best project that it can be. Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. This is from Stomac. Kas is global. In order for the world to accept it, people from all over the world will build on it. So this is from Aspect in the Discord. We are quite decentralized as a development team. There are developers working on the core project software and network infrastructure from the USA, Canada, Russia, Bulgaria, India, Norway, Saudi Arabia, China, Israel, and a few other countries. So the work continues on most parts of the project uninterrupted. It's just hard to coordinate the T11 relaunch right now, as parts of the team is in close proximity to the ongoing geopolitical turmoil are most certainly affected, right? And again, this is one of the reasons why we see the retracing Kas. But overall, there's devs globally, right? Look at this. Again, USA, Canada, Russia, Bulgaria, India, Norway, Saudi Arabia, China, and then of course Israel. There are 17 devs within my field of view, of whom 2 focus on supporting infrastructure. 12 are doing active development on Rusty Kas. Of these 12, 4 affected by the conflict proximity. Of these 12, I say 9 included those affected do or have technological competence to focus on consensus. I might be off by 1 to 2 people, which is why I'm using a approximate sign. GitHub does not give an exact picture, albeit pretty close. Also, it's important to distinguish developers from researchers. They do overlap, but many prominent researchers like Jonathan and Shai are not included in the counts above. See that? So even if Jonathan and Shai was, you know, getting affected by what's happening in the conflict, that doesn't exclude the amount of devs still working on Kas globally. The issue that will cause some delays is more focus related to work on a complex infrastructure like Kaspa. One needs to be not distracted, and it's hard to do it in the current environment. You know, that's understandable. Also, the above counts are compiled from Rusty Kaspa related work. There are a few more people who are involved in Golang node that are not a part of that, you know. And guys, I'm telling you, this is a great sign, because more and more devs are, I'm sure, from all aspects of the globe, are gonna help develop Cas, man, because they see a vision here. And who wouldn't want to be a part of history to have that on your resume? Pool Party Nodes. Visit Pool Party Nodes merch shop in participation with Kaspa. And, you know, it's very nice to see. Look at this Kaspa merch. If you want to get a hoodie, a hat, you know, check out Pool Party Nodes, man. Another merchant supporting Cas. Midnight. I hope all of you panic sellers don't get another opportunity to ride Cas up again. Be sad to see some of you out and not make it due to some FUD. Like we've not gone through this 100 times before. This is a great opportunity to fill the bags. The fundamentals haven't changed. Kaspa. That's really all it boils down to, man. A lot of people are worrying about, you know, what's happening in the... Every project got affected by what's happening right now. Kaspa as well. And what is different? Nothing is different. Fundamentally, Kaspa still here, still the same. Nothing has changed, man. Captain Sats, I know it's not necessary. 10 BPS is plenty right now, but imagine Cas gets to 100 BPS. That'd be crazy. The vision behind this project is to build a Nakamoto-like service that operates on internet speeds. We wanted to build a system that surpassed the limits of Satoshi's V1 protocol, adheres to the same principles embedded in Bitcoin. First, to make Satoshi great again, Phantom is really a neat generalization of the Nakamoto consensus. It follows the same principles, just with support for concurrency, and is the only path to fulfill his electronic cash vision. Today, we are already 15 times faster. You hear that, guys? You read that? Today we are already 15 times faster than Ethereum. Proof of work, by the way. And with optimization, we think the technology can get us to roughly 100 blocks per second. And this is on a proof of work consensus, man. Like, that's insane. I don't think you guys realize how massive that is, right? This is proof of work that we're talking about. You know, a lot of projects transition to proof of stake, Ethereum included, because it's faster, right? It's supposed to help with scalability. But here we have Cas, a proof of work project that's faster than Ethereum right now. What? Kaspa News, a revolutionary new currency of the crypto industry. Fix the money, fix the world. He has a nice little edited graphic right here because Kaspa is going global, man. Look at that. Kaspa is taking the world by storm, man. Imagine everyone using and transacting with Cas as, you know, money now, right? They're stepping away from fiat, and only thing they use is Bitcoin and Cas, man. I wouldn't rule it out. From Kaspa Army, to all Kaspa fam and holders, if you believe in this project, please do not overdo it. When the price goes up or when the price goes down, stay calm and relax. Trust the process. Exactly, man. Couldn't put it better myself. Because everything in excess is not good. Don't look like an unstable child, because every post of yours is part of us. Do positive things that will be much better and useful for us together. Let's build this community as an adult community. Stay cool and relax. Yeah, a lot of people in this space, I'll be honest, man, act like kids with their investments. They act like babies with their investments, man. That's why I said we're going to see who we're going to separate the men from the boys now with, you know, more volatile price action in Cas, because these retraces, everybody, I already see my comment section, it's dumping. Oh, you just a pump and dump influencer. You just, you know, like, come on, man. Like, give me other altcoins that are as good as Kaspa, that are new, right? That have like the potential to go ballistic like Kaspa, that are new, right? That haven't seen a bull run, you know? Give me the one, give me some, man. Obviously, you know, like, as far as a technological standpoint goes, they can't a lot of these projects are just basura, trash. They can't compare to Kaspa, man. They really can't. And another great part about Cas, it's never seen a bull run, and statistically it's proven that projects that's never saw a bull run have done the best, has given the best ROI, you know, in all of their cycles, their respective cycles. Matic on Solana, even Luna. Matic, Solana, Luna, Sheep, they never saw a bull run. When the bull run came, they were the best performers. It's the same thing here with Cas. Never saw a bull run. Even if it's retracing right now, it's not going to drop too low. And then all of a sudden, when the market starts to turn around, Cas gets the more catalysts unveiled. You know, 10 BPS, 30 BPS, smart contracts. It's just going to be, you know, more and more moves to the upside from here, in my opinion. But of course, it's not going to only be up forever. Things are going to happen. Retraces, corrections are going to happen. But the long-term vision remains the same. Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.